Engineering Design Office is strong human relationship with passionate people. Hello, I am Jeremy. I am the Design Office Manager at Applexion. I joined the company in 2008. I started my career as mechanical engineer in the medical device industry. I joined the Applexion Design Office 16 years ago as mechanical lead design engineer. Over the years, I have gained experiences in project management in different markets such as pharmaceutical, sugar and dairy industries. I have developed engineering skills in process, piping, pressure vessel and sanitary design. These experiences have led me to my current position, and I am dedicated to sharing my knowledge with the team. Once the project is signed, the design office is in charge of the technical parts of the project. The design office team is composed of drafters, automation specialists, AI and mechanical engineers. We also have strong collaboration with our Chinese colleagues to share resources and technical expertise. We are working together in project mode, and our mission is to implement engineering solutions according to the customer specifications. Design Office is also responsible of factory acceptance tests at supplier workshop and involved in the support of the R&D, sales, and service and consumable departments. We do not have a typical week in Applexion, but we have some special routines. For example, on the Monday morning, AIC meeting, short project review, where we detect the potential issue and define priorities. I also lead regular routines with drafters to plan daily tasks. We close the week with the department meeting, where we share the global project overview. At Applexion, I really appreciate the variety of the projects and the new technical challenges. I really enjoy participating to decarbonization through the optimization of our processes by saving energy and water consumption. In addition, our new digital tools help us to improve the quality of services to meet the customer needs. 6 years ago, during a project in Chile, we had the opportunity with the colleagues to snowboarding a volcano. It was amazing. Engineering Design Office is not only technical task, but also sharing experiences and strong human relationship with passionate people.